got another unboxing for you today. It's the Apple Slim keyboard, the Bluetooth version, so it's not got the number keypad on the right hand side. The review of this will be up in about a week after I've unboxed it. That'll be on johnpaulakers.com. So if you fancy doing that, check it out. And if you've got any questions, then drop some comments in the post, and not in the actual post, in the blog post, and I'll get back to you on there. I'm just going to open this up. I'm going to put you down a second. There we go. Open this up. There we go. So this is from a shop called Microambica in the UK. And they basically sell like technology products, and some of the stuff they do is Apple related. So nothing on the sides. Let's see, Apple wireless keyboard. So it's the slim version, as you can see there. Nice and tasty. And also, what not a lot of people mention, I mean, it's not exactly a big no, but considering the amount of money they cost usually, I got a load of batteries as well, because they're all half price at £2.50, normally $10 for 4 batteries, which is a lot of money if you think about it. And I'm hoping there's 4 batteries already in here. So let me just move this to the side, turn this upside down. There we go. Right. There we go. So it goes. So all you do is slide it open, and straight away you see the keyboard there. As you can see there, it doesn't actually have the extended section for the member pad. So it's got all the up, down, left, right arrows there. So it's kind of squashed it a little bit, but it's still the same key type. So it'll feel nice and light. Just flip it out. Yep, and as I said, it only needs 3 batteries, which is quite useful. So behind there you get 3 batteries, and they actually give you some good quality ones. So they give you Energizer batteries rather than just the crappy rechargeable ones they usually provide. So that's good. So it takes 3 AA batteries. So we'll see how long those last. I'll take this plastic wrapping off. There we go. So without the batteries, it's very, very light, and it's because of the shape. So if you see around there, it's the slot to put the batteries in. I think it's either there. I'm not sure what this is for. I think it's just so the Bluetooth signal comes out, and then I think what you do is you twist this with a coin and then put the batteries in. So as you can see around there, very slim, very low profile, and as it rests on the desk, it'll kind of give you a little angle when you're typing. So that's good. And obviously around the other end, there is the power button, if you can see that. So I might have gone a bit blurry there. Then you get the Apple wireless keyboard instructions. And now one thing I have noticed, not that it's a big deal, but they don't provide any Apple stickers. So not a big deal, as I said. So put that back in there. And as I said, also I've got the current the slimline keyboard. However, there was just too many wires on my desk at the moment, so I went for the nice small profile skinny one. So hopefully that will that'll help me kind of streamline the contents of my desk. So I'll just pick you up there. So there's been a quick unboxing of the Bluetooth keyboard from Apple, the Slimline edition. So if you've got any questions, as I said before, there'll be some reviews up in about a week. So drop some comments in the post there. That's at johnpaulakers.com. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Okay folks, I've got another unboxing for you. This time it's the Apple Mac. Let's try that again. So yeah, that's been just a quick unboxing of the Slimline wireless Apple headset.